Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a little unboxing. I'm very excited because it's also a mini celebration for hitting 15K, which I am so happy about, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to me, watching my videos, engaging with the content. I really appreciate it. It has been a journey, and I'm so excited for our little community that is constantly and steady growing. In case I don't say it enough, I adore you guys and appreciate you so much for watching my content, loving my content, talking to me, and all of the above. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So the first thing that I have is this box from Louis Vuitton. I have not had a Louis Vuitton accessory piece in a minute. So these were actually a gift for our milestone because we celebrate all wins over here. And they are these Louis Vuitton earrings that say LV. How freaking cute, y'all. When I saw these, I was like, oh my God, I want them. I just love how they're small, but you still see them. I love that they kind of, you know, hang in the LV portion of them. Like, look at that. Super cute. And I just love the size of them and how they hang, but it's not like too long. I love the drop is what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys. So this is what they look like on. I am obsessed with them. I think that they're so cute. They're not too heavy. Of course they have like a little weight to them, but they're not very hollow either. Like it's a nice weight to them. They do, if you can, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but they do make a little jingling noise in your ear when you're wearing them. And I'm assuming because of how the design of them, how they're like individually put together, it's not attached, but it doesn't bother me. I think that they're super cute. Like I said, I love the drop, especially with my natural hair. It's shorter, so it's not they're not covered. I think they're so cute and dainty. Y'all know that I live for a nice dainty style piece. That's just my vibe. The next item that we have here is a Gucci item. I just knew I had to get something from this collection. This is a piece from the Gucci Balenciaga The Hacker Project collaboration. I'm obsessed. First of all, let's get into the packaging. I love how they did the Gucci and Balenciaga packaging. Half of it's Balenciaga, half of it's Gucci, and then the ribbon says Gucci Balenciaga. Love that. Okay, so we're just gonna undo this here. Y'all probably can guess what I got. With the dust bag, and half of it is Balenciaga, the other half is Gucci. I got the knife booties. So when I seen this boot, I was immediately obsessed with it, like obsessed with it. So I love this style of the shoe. Now I don't have a Balenciaga shoe like this. I wanted the purple pair, but of course they came and went. And then when they came out with the collaboration, I was like, chef's kiss. So they have this shoe in the booty version, which is this, and then the tall version, which is kind of like a thigh high situation. Very cute. I wanted that one, but I was like, I already have the thigh high Gucci, the original Gucci canvas boot, and I was like, I really don't need two of the same kind. So I was like, I really love this boot. This is me. This is what I need. So I got the shorter one, and I am obsessed with it. I love it. I love the way it fits. I love the way it looks on the foot. I did go with my true European size because I was unsure about sizing because it was a collab. I didn't know if it would go by Gucci size, which I usually size down, or Balenciaga size, my true size. So I got my true 39 European size, and it works perfectly. The shoe literally fits like a glove. And I know it's supposed to be fitted because of the material. It's like that stretch kind of fit, but it works and I love it. I have so many ideas of how I want to wear it. I cannot wait to like pull it all together and see what it looks like on, but love it. Now, if I'm not mistaken, by the time you're seeing this video, it is a possibility that you can still get your hands on both the tall and this pair. I know that when I got this pair, it was actually online. It was available online, so I ordered it directly from the Gucci website. But there were a few other sizes available on the site and some that you can find in a store. If you select your size, select find in the store, it should tell you a store that's close to you that could possibly have your shoe, which I tried that for the tall ones and the store had them. So by the time, as of right now when I'm recording this video, and by the time you're seeing this video, there's a possibility that you could still get the boot. I'm going to link it down below anyways, just so that you can check. Maybe you'll have some luck and getting the shoe, because it is definitely a stunner. And I love collecting pieces like this, especially with the collaborations, because it's like years down the line when Kari's older, or if I have other girls or other children, they can like get these pieces and it's like a little flex, you know, like my mom gifted me something from a collaboration from umpteen years ago. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just here for it. I did have the hourglass bag on my wish list. I actually saw the bag online. I was like, I don't really know if I want to get it because I haven't really been into the hourglass bag. I don't really know. And then child, now the bag is gone. I did call around. There is a possibility that I could get my hands on it, but I don't really want to do the digging for it. So there's that. I'm happy with the purchases I did get from the collab. There'll be many more collabs. I ain't tripping about it. Well, I kind of am, but that's neither here nor there. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. Thank you guys for helping me get to 15K. I'm very excited for all of the newcomers. Seeing you guys' comments and DMs to me just mean the world to me. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you in the next video.